Hi, my name is Dr. Corina Jimenez-Gomez. I'm a board-certified behavior analyst and a licensed behavior analyst in the state of Alabama. This video is a collaboration between the Autism Society of Alabama and the Alabama Regional Autism Network. Today I want to talk to you about helping your child tolerate wearing a face mask. Our state issued a mandate this week for wearing face masks when we're out and about. So how can you get your child to wear and tolerate a face mask? Before you start anything, you need to explain to your child why it's important to wear a face mask. So you might use visual aids like videos or social stories that might help them understand. And try to use language that they can actually access. Complicated, long sentences might not be the best way to communicate to a child, especially if your child has some communication deficits. How do you teach your child to wear a face mask? Well, first, start with your expectations. What do you expect them to do? If you wear a face mask, then you will get this. Then you go outside, then you get to play, then you get to do whatever it is that they want to do. Small gradual steps is the way to get them to do it. So maybe you start with them holding a face mask or having you hold a face mask close to them, then putting it close to their face, then actually putting it on for 5 seconds, and so on. You slowly build up to them wearing it for longer and longer periods of time. This gradual process should be reinforced at every step. So how do you reinforce it? Maybe you give them access to watching a short preferred video on an iPad, or maybe they get to do something special or fun, or maybe they get access to a special treat if they tolerate it. Again, using these if-then statements are really helpful to do that. Practicing and practicing and practicing over and over again. This is not something that's going to very quickly go from a child not wanting anything to do with a face mask to wearing it happily for hours on end. So you need to practice and expose them over and over again so that wearing a face mask is not aversive, it is not a negative experience for them. A good way to make it a not negative experience is for you to model it. So wearing a face mask is not a big deal, nothing bad happens. When they're practicing wearing their face mask, you wear yours to show them that you too can tolerate wearing a face mask. An important thing, however, is that you want them to generalize the tolerance of wearing a face mask. It's no good if they can wear it around the house, but then they refuse to wear it when they're out and about. So making sure that you embed opportunities for them to practice with other people, different types of face masks, because maybe the one they're learning with is not the same exact one they'll use when they go to school or when they go to a store with you. So making sure they have plenty of opportunities to practice around different people in different places and with different face masks. This may be a lot of information, and you might think, wow, this is just, how am I going to get there? Again, small, gradual steps. If you need assistance or if you need more resources, we're always happy to help. Here's our website and also our email. Please reach out if you have any questions.